she eats more and better because we know better now. So
Hi, honey. Hi, honey.
But you know, she's still like, I'm here to get goat milk so that I can make formula from scratch, because the canned formula, which is what she's on now, she's great. She's hitting all her milestones. She's not growing. She's not growing. She's still 18 pounds.
Wow.
A year, I'm sure if we vaccinated her, we would have the same issues. We would have, you know, we would have neurological injuries if we vaccinated her, because it runs in the family. So. But yeah, if we lose this source of goat milk, there's no other goat milk that you can get in LA. So we won't be able to make baby formula. So, which is a very big deal in our house, because we have corn allergies, and corn is in all the formulas, and then when it isn't corn, it's soy, which is just another poison in our family. We have soy allergies. So if we lose access to the raw goat milk, then we're going to have to use ultra-pasteurized goat milk from questionable sources, and we won't know if you know, what it ate, and whether or not what it ate was sprayed. And it's a real nightmare. Food is a huge nightmare in our house, and access to food. We drove, you know, an hour and a half to get here just to buy affordable goat milk. So we can't get food in LA.